What is up everybody, welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having a great day. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. Now let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video we'll be talking about on the topic add post to your story is missing or not working on Instagram. So basically what this problem is, there's a feature in Instagram where you can upload photos or videos on your story which will disappear after 24 hours. So that's what story is. It's basically a place where you can post videos and photos which will be disappeared after 24 hours. If you're facing this problem, then your story won't be available in your Instagram. Right now over here, as you guys can see, this your story, you cannot see it if you're facing this problem. So basically how to fix this problem is, first you need to check if there is update on Instagram or not. So to check this, go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram on the search bar on Play Store. And over here, as you guys can see, there's an update button, which means there is an update on Instagram and I should update it. If you see an update button over here just like on mine, then it means that there's an update on Instagram and you need to update it. But if you see an open button instead of update, that means your Instagram is up to date. But if you see an update button, then be sure to update your Instagram and it might fix your problem. But if you're still facing this problem after updating your Instagram, then what you can do is basically offload Instagram. So what offloading Instagram means is we are going to clear all the cache of Instagram over here and make it new. It's basically like deleting and reinstalling Instagram, but it is easy way. Now remember, for this you need to go to your setting, and the setting interface in different Android is different, so your setting interface might be different. So if you have difficulty in offloading app, you can just go to YouTube and search for how to offload apps on your phone's name, because offloading Instagram is simply like offloading any app on your phone. So for this I'm going to go on my app management over here, and on app management I'm going to go on Instagram over here, and on Instagram I'm going to go on storage usage, and on storage usage I'm going to click on clear data, and over here I can click on clear and all my cache will be cleared. So that's basically how you offload Instagram. And after uploading Instagram, you need to log into your account, and after logging into your account your problem should be fixed. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.